Hey y'all, welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel, the channel that provides video resources to help you with your build, rebuild, maintenance of your everyday classic car and your Jeep. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the like button down below, right down in that area. Today we're going to be replacing out the starter. Shouldn't be particularly difficult. Came in today. So we want to go ahead and slap this thing on and see what it does. I think it will fix our problems, but if not, it's getting shipped back and going back to the company I bought it from. So hopefully this fixes it, and it's not the solenoid. I have another solenoid coming as well, and so we're just going to see what happens. So join me in the venture of putting a new starter on a CJ-2a. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take this bracket off. Managed to buy a new one when I bought the starter. I remembered it this time, because this one is cracked and to the end of its life. So, might as well take it off. Next up, we're going to take this off, the cable off. There's no real secret to this, to the order. Just kind of taking off whatever I gotta take off at this point. Yeah, this is how it looks. See the crack right there? That ain't not good. Now to the starter itself. This stays in here pretty good. At least it has when I've taken it out before. Comes right out. Alright, so we're back. We got our new one, or not so much new one, but our rebuilt one. And we are going to put her in like so. All right. So we got her in. Looks pretty good. Let's see if the holes line up. That's my main concern right now. That one lined up all right. That's good news. And let's see about this one. I think the proper torque value is like 25 foot-pounds. We'll come back later, hit that with the torque wrench. So the bracket I bought, gonna have to modify it a little bit. To fit my mount. Not super surprising there, but for the time being, I may use the old one just to test this thing out and see what we got, because that's really what I want to do, is make sure it's good. I don't know what happened just right there. I don't want to hit, but there's a bunch of dirt falling. Alright, so we're just going to reuse this old one. Take that off. Put this down on there. So, boom, boom, boom. Just want to get a good connection on there. Now we're going to go get the battery and test this thing out. Alright, let's see if this is any better. No, it's not. Well, that's disappointing. Well, that didn't work either. So I'm at a bit of a loss. Maybe it's the starter solenoid. I don't know. Yeah. So I got another one coming. I'm not sure what's going on. Something has gone awry. So maybe my engine crapped out. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I just have too much friction in there. Some sort of something binding up. I don't know. But it's not flowing like it did. So I'm not sure what the problem is. A little frustrated by that. Anyway, that's how you mount the starter. So hopefully that helps you with your build. And yeah, so I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.